Sharon 2 was founded in 1929. It was founded to help customers get the best product to their customers. In 2007, Sacrament Industries brought Sharon 2 to continue the mission of providing the best quality steel pipe and tube to their customers.
There's a lot of things. I like to help things move better throughout the facility, through the mill, and make sure everybody's doing their job to help that happen, make that happen.
What do you like about your job?
What I like about my job, I really like that it kind of feels like a family here. Everybody's kind of worked here for a really long time. We get to know each other really well, and then everybody's really kind of proud of what we do and what we stand for.
Well, I feel like that's an endless list of what I like about my job. In human resources, I get to deal with a variety of people. In manufacturing, I get to deal with people on the shop floor, whether it's production teammates, whether it's our maintenance staff. Inside in the office, we have a variety of people from accounting to logistics to finance to safety. So really having a broad spectrum of exposure to other people that we get to work with each day.
And we have a good team here, both ways, management, union, everything's pretty good. We work together.
Thank you for watching our video and finding out what is so cool about Sharon 2. You should definitely work for this great company and join this great family.